Hey guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I have a Partners in Cream update, and I actually finished 3 products out of the 7 that I had. So I'm going to show you the products that I've made progress on. I'm going to show you the 3 that I finished and then 3 products that will replace the 3 that I finished. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a video. I do project planning videos, and I also do reviews of products, and I do crazy empties videos and empties challenges. Every single rule of this project is gonna be on my description box below. This was created by Stefan Delin. If you want to see my Partners in Cream update, just keep on watching. Okay, you guys, so I've used these products consistently, and that's the way I like to do it. The first one is the Merit Terracotta Cheek Color, and this one, if I would reapply blush, this would be done. I'm wearing it in the apples of my cheeks, and I really love this beautiful cheek product. I use it with my BK Beauty from the latest collab that they did. I think it's a wonderful blush. I placed it here until the next refreshment because I don't think I will be able to finish it during this project, and that's okay. I just want to get some use out of it and rotate it. I don't want to let it sit in my collection being that pretty and then being unused. Then the second one I'm wearing on my lips today, and this is the Chanel Secret Coco Rouge Shine. I actually lost the sticker in the bag, and I love these. These, I think it can have 1 more month. Maybe if I neglect it, 2 more months, but this is about to be done. As soon as it hits the little packaging, I will just pass it on to my sister-in-law so that she can scrape it. I know she will love the shade, but I'm not gonna put myself through that having the lipstick collection that I already have. So yeah, I think this has 1 more update to go, and I'll be super happy to finish 1 lip product because I have a lot of new lip products that I brought into my collection, and then a few that were gifts. Then the biggest struggle for me has been the Urban Decay eyeliner in the shade Oil Slick. And I'm saying big struggle, even though I started this project pan 2 months ago, it's because I've been working on this, whether it's in a project pan or not, since last year consistently, and I just can't seem to finish it. I've used it about 90% of the times that I've done my makeup this month as a wing liner, eyeliner, like just a touch up of a glitter liner on top of my wing black liner. I didn't use it today because I wanted a super black eyeliner today. And this is a charcoal, almost black color with a lot of glitter, silver glitter. So it looks lighter than what I prefer. And I put it on my waterline and everything, but I'm not wasteful, so I don't sharpen it every time I use it. And I don't get to sharpen it enough to finish it. It's a beautiful product. I have it swatched right here, so it looks almost black, but from up close, it has a lot of shimmer. So I know that I will have either 3 months with it, or maybe if I'm lucky and this one goes until like right here, then I have maybe 2 months with it. Hopefully I can finish it within 1 month if I keep using it at the rate that I've been using it. Maybe it will break, I don't know, but at least 2 months I still have with this one. These I'm wearing on the bridge of my nose, and then also I'm wearing on my Cupid's bow, and this is the Burberry Nude Radiance number 01 Fresh Glow Highlighter Luminous Pen. And these I broke the cap last time because I was using it. I've used this a ton, but the places where I use it are just small, so I just tap my finger twice every time I'm gonna use it, so it will take forever for me to finish, but I'm hopeful that I can finish it by the end of the year. That's all I have left, and it's a beautiful product. It's just that I haven't been using it on the cheeks. Maybe since I started going to the gym and working out, then maybe I can apply a little bit of this one on my cheeks just to look a little bit glowy, but I tend to not wear highlighter to the gym. I can do a makeup for the gym realistic routine that I do for myself just to look put together, but yeah, I think this is gonna be with me for the rest of the year. Then for the 3 products that I finished, this is not gonna be a surprise. This is the L'Oreal True Match. This is the shade W3. It was a little bit darker for me, so I had to mix it, but last time I showed you that I had amazing progress with this one. I wish I could repurchase, but I have so many foundations now that I need to focus on finishing. at least 15 foundations or getting rid of 15 foundations from my collection before purchasing a new one. Since I already purchased the Charlotte Tilbury one that I've been loving so much, it's actually the one that I'm wearing on my face today. So yeah, these I love. I would repurchase. It's my favorite drugstore foundation that I've tried so far. I often will use this instead of high-end, so that's how much I love it. And I actually have two darker shades that I'm gonna put on my makeup artistry kit and see how I mix them on my makeup artistry kit, because they don't work for me and I don't want to make myself use so many darker than my skin foundations. It's just a hassle for me, and I'm not wearing fake tan since I'm breastfeeding my baby. Too much information, but this one I already finished, and on my last update I showed you guys that I was gonna replace it with this one in the case that I finished it, which I did. And this is the Pony Effect cushion foundation, and I said that I didn't love this and that I would see how I felt about it, and I don't love it. These I finished. It only took a couple uses. It was mostly dried out, but I felt like this one broke me out. So I don't know. Maybe it's because it was older, or maybe it was open for too long. I have a backup of it that you can just remove this part, and then I'm gonna give the backup, which is sealed, to my sister-in-law so that she can use it, because this is definitely not the foundation for me. It's too glowy. I look almost oily, and if I would powder and it would stay put, wonderful, but it just, the overall finish, I like it when I first apply it. It takes a minute to just sit into my skin the right way, because it tries to settle on dry patches, which I don't actually think I have that many dry patches. I'm actually oily on my T-zone. So this is definitely not a favorite product. So I'm glad that I finished it. I was actually even mixing it with another foundation because this was too light for me. But yeah, I'm happy that it's done, and I'm gonna pass the other pouch to my sister-in-law because I don't want to see this in my collection. You can find this at Stylevana. I don't remember the other name, but I will leave it below. I know I have a code. If you use Jordana as a code, you get 10% off. And I love most of the products that I've gotten from them. I think this is the only one that I haven't loved. So yeah, Korean beauty brands are amazing. It's just that this one will work for drier skin. So if you have dry skin, I will leave this link below because it actually comes with a backup, which I find to be a good deal. And then this I finished today. This was a struggle because I don't love this. This makes me oilier. And I finished a full size before when I had it, but I'm not into it anymore. I changed my mind about it. Right now it doesn't work for me. So this is the Too Faced Hangover RX Replenish Face Primer. Again, this doesn't work for me. I was using it on my neck and using it only on the sides of my face, because every time I would bring it to the center of my face, I would get crazy oily within seconds. So yeah, this is just not the product for me. At one point it worked, but not anymore. So I'm happy to be done with it. Okay, so for the 3 products that I have to replace those, I have 2 that are from the same category, same brand, same size and everything. I don't know how long it will take me, but I bet within a month this will be out of my project, because I haven't been using them, but I know that they will get dried out. These are, I think, the last 2 small sizes of the Stila Glitter and Glow. And I have these 2 shades, which are beautiful. Follow the Sun, which is a light gold, easy to use, and then Diamond Dust. I finished a full size of this one before. It's one of my favorites. I just want to use them and maybe try to revive them and use them as much as I can on top of my eyeshadow, because if not, they're gonna get completely dried out without any use. And I promised myself that I wanted to use every single one of the ones that I have up. I have about 6 or 7 full size glitter and glow and shimmer and glow ones, and I want to finish the minis and then move on to the bigger ones until I finish them completely. And then this one, I knocked it off, so of course I lost the place where it was, but I noticed before sitting down to film, because I want to keep finishing foundations, that this one was right on top of the E right here. So when it settles, it's right on top of the E. You can see that this is showing that it's almost done. I've used this, but right now, I don't know if my skin is getting back to normal or maybe the heat, the summer heat, it's getting to me, but I love this skin tint, but it feels super oily on my face. So I'm gonna use this to mix with any foundation or tinted moisturizer that I'm using for the day just to finish it off. So like I said, it's right here on the E, and I'm hoping to finish it before the year is over. So I know that on my next update, I will for sure have 2 out, and I will get either 1 or 2 more products because I have now 7 and I don't have to have 7 products. But I want to add this to this project because I need to finish more foundations. By removing these 2 and then the pouch that it's completely sealed, those are 3 foundations gone, and I need to finish at least 2 more foundations during this year. I just need to. I have a drawer filled with foundations, and foundations tend to go bad. So yeah, this is gonna be a beautiful one to mix because it's super glowy. I can mix it with my more matte foundations, and these will give them the luminosity and the hydration that they lack without making me completely oily. So that's gonna be it for the update. I have, like I said, 7 products. I'm hoping that I can have 2 or 3 done by next month, maybe the lipstick and the 2 glitters. And that's it, you guys. I love being part of this project pan because it helps me just get rid of a few cream products that I'm just not reaching without this project from my collection. So if you watch the entire video, leave something related to either water or cream, anything you can find as an emoji, if you're doing this project, so that I can go and watch your video and watch your progress in the comments below. And that's it, you guys. Don't forget to subscribe. I love you, and I guess I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.